Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Mopar Matt back at it with another video. Today we're going to throw in the 309 differential in the car. Sorry if I'm a little sluggish in this video. I'm trying, keep the pace up as much as I can, but if you seen my video last week, I put a new fender and bumper on my car, and man, it was a struggle. I didn't get home till like 2:30 in the morning, and it's pretty tough. And I don't know how much of a drive video. If it clears up, if the weather clears up, I'll be able to drive a little bit and give some like first impressions and stuff. But yeah, it's looking like it's supposed to rain. So yeah, man, just stay along for the video, and I'll keep y'all updated on the install process. Well, guys, finally made it down to the shop. Just got the car on the lift. Got the diff right there. I'm just looking over a few things to see what we got to do. I know I got to drop the exhaust. I dropped the exhaust before to put the lowering sprays on. Wasn't too bad. Then you got the T6s right there. Yeah, it's looking like about four bolts to drop the diff and then get the shafts out. But I won't be doing too much tutorial in this video. It's probably gonna be kind of frustrating, so I'm about to get to work. And I'll shoot y'all a few clips. Well, guys, got it in there. Thanks to Unc and Pop. Appreciate y'all. Got everything all buttoned back up. About to go on the drive and test it out. I ain't gonna lay on it too much, just to, you know, break it in a little bit. But I'm gonna put this is my uncle's shop down here in Henderson. I'm gonna put his info in the on the screen somewhere on here. If y'all need like maintenance and all that stuff, check him out. He's a real good dude, real good service. Just don't come to him with no transmissions or no differentials, because it ain't happening. But this is gonna be the end of this video. I'll show more and catch up more on the diff in the next video. Y'all be easy. Peace.